This is a new selfie stick I've purchased from Amazon. The brand is a Chinese brand, Telesin. On Amazon it is advertised as AuyKoo. Now this is probably a case of a Chinese manufacturer, Telesin in this case, and a distributor, AuyKoo, bringing these into the UK on Amazon. I'll put the page up for you to have a look on the Amazon page, so you can have a look at the search terms and actually what it looks like on the Amazon page. But don't be confused if you're looking at AuyKoo, but this box, as I said, is Telesin. It's a 90cm extending selfie stick. Importantly for me, it's got two key features. One is it's got the GoPro mount, so I can just mount the GoPro straight on it without an additional adapter, and it also has tripod legs, so I can transition from handheld selfie mode to tripod and self-standing mode quite quickly with this and go between the two. There are some very basic instructions in the back. There is an English version down here to show you how to put the tripod up. Let's have a look inside them. As always with my unboxings, I've taken any sort of sealy stickers off and things like that. And inside we have a small box. And if I take it from the other side, we have the actual tripod itself. The tripod comes with a little bit of wrapper on it, and it has another set of instructions. It does make you think that perhaps the manufacturers had a problem with people following the instructions. They put them on the outside of the box and a sticker on there, and big yellow bit, please read the directions before use. That probably means please read the instructions before complaining on Amazon or via email on that one. So put the instructions to one side there. Inside the little box, we have two things: the GoPro mount screw and a phone holder. Got some extension on it. Not sure which model phones you get in there. I think I struggle to get mine in because I've got an 11 with a case on that. Doesn't look like that'll extend enough. And then a little bit of an adapter to use with the GoPro mount if you want. Does unscrew, and it can also screw on the back there, so you can mount it in different ways on that one. Bits in there. And then the main tripod itself. GoPro mount on the top, and obviously that goes in and tightens once you've got the GoPro on there. What we also have is a rotating adapter here. We can unclip here, and that can rotate around differently. It looks like that can be used to mount this. Yep, so that's a standard screw mount there. So you can actually put your phone on here, GoPro on there if you want to, and use between the two. And you can probably mount other adapters on there if you want to as well on that. So two different adapter options. And then what we have is the tripod legs. So at the moment they're locked. Remember those instructions we've got, and we go down here, twist it, and then they unlock. Now if you don't lock them again, when you put it down, obviously it falls over. Instructions again: twist the bit at the bottom, so just put the tripod in place, twist it, and they're locked. And it's fairly stable. It's a good weight on the selfie stick itself, and the tripod seems to be holding it fairly stable, so that's not bad. And again, unlock, fold up, and lock. Fairly simple steps there. What we have then is the extended selfie stick, and what you do is you rotate each bit and you pull out and rotate to lock. So once it's locked, it won't go back in. Rotate again, and you can put it back down there. So we have 3 extensions, 1, 2, 3. That gives you the 90cm height on there as well. Oh, actually no, miscounting on that one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different extension lengths. Gives you a lot of variability in what you the different heights and lengths you can have. Each one of them locks independently, so you grab the bit you want to unlock, push down, lock, and that keeps these locked. Grab again, unlock, lock, and you get your different lengths there as well. So lots of variation in height there. I'm filming this with my GoPro. I can't actually show you mounting a GoPro, but I've got one of my other action cameras here, and we can just see if we can get this one fitted. So it's got the similar type of mounts on there. Put it on, slide, so we've got clearance for the screw, and then put the screw in. Not quite got the right clearance there yet. There we go, that's got the right clearance. Screws on, tighten it up there so you don't want any movement, and you've got a bit of movement there, and then you can still do the extensions outside of that. Put the legs up, that gives us a selfie mount with the action camera mounted on it, and switch to selfie mode, handheld mode with the tripod if you want to. If it's getting in the way, again, you can just lock it down, lock it back, and in handheld mode. Like that. One other feature of this, having just watched the video from the QR code, is if we take the tripod down and lock it again, so it's locked on, actually you can unscrew the tripod. So if you are going out in just selfie mode, it makes it a little bit lighter, and makes the tripod available if you want it, or just fold it away, and then when you're ready again, screw it back on. It gives you lots of options there because of that. So that is the Telesin AuyKoo selfie stick, purchased off Amazon. Going to try it in a little bit outdoor mode, and also use it for some of these unboxing, and see where I can get some different angles on the unboxing by having a shorter tripod that I've got the camera on. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos around some of the tech I'm using for vlogging and drone footage.